Good morning children, welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to learn heavier than and lighter than. Second one, far and near. Okay, look at here. First one, heavier than, lighter than. First topic, heavier than. First one, heavier than, lighter than. ఫస్ట్ వన్ హెవియర్ దాన్ లైటర్ దాన్. హెవియర్ అంటేనేమో బరువు ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నదాన్ని హెవియర్ దాన్ అంటారు. బరువు తక్కువగా ఉన్నదాన్ని లైటర్ దాన్ అంటారు. ఓకే, బరువు ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో హెవియర్ దాన్, బరువు తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో లైటర్ దాన్ అంటారు. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్. Okay, look at here. This is ball. Okay, see here. This is scale. Okay, now here draw ball and here scale. Tell me students, which picture heavy weight? Which one is the heavy weight? Yeah, here this one ball heavy weight and this one is the lighter weight. Scale lighter weight means this one is the heavier. Now this one is lighter. ఓకే, స్కేల్ లైటర్ వెయిట్ అండ్ బాల్ హెవియర్ వెయిట్. బరువు ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో హెవియర్ అంటారు, బరువు తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో లైటర్ అంటారు. ఓకే, సీ హియర్ ద బాల్ ఈజ్ హెవియర్ దాన్ ద స్కేల్. ద స్కేల్ ఈజ్ లైటర్ దాన్ ద బాల్. ఓకే, ద బాల్ ఈజ్ హెవియర్ దాన్ ద బాల్ ఈజ్ హెవియర్ దాన్ heavier than, the ball is heavier than a scale. Okay, means this one is the heavier than. Okay, ball heavier than. The scale is lighter than a ball. ఓకే, హెవియర్ దాన్ అంటేనేమో బరువు ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో హెవియర్ దాన్ అంటారు, బరువు తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో దట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద లైటర్ దాన్. సీ హియర్ బాల్ హెవీ వెయిట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ద హెవియర్ దాన్. దిస్ వన్ స్కేల్ లైట్ వెయిట్, దట్స్ వై దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ద లైటర్. ఓకే, హెవియర్ దాన్ అండ్ లైటర్ దాన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ గో టు ఫార్ అండ్ నియర్. నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఫార్ అండ్ నియర్. Okay, second one is the far and near. ఫార్ అంటేనేమో దూరము, నియర్ అంటే దగ్గర. ఓకే, ఫార్ అంటేనేమో దూరము, నియర్ అంటే దగ్గర. ఓకే, లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్. Okay, look at here. This is a house. This is a house. This one flower and here tree. Okay, see here. Far అంటేనేమో దూరము, ఫార్ అంటే దూరము, నియర్ అంటే దగ్గర. ఓకే, నియర్ మీన్స్ దగ్గర, ఫార్ అంటే దూరము. ఓకే, సీ హియర్ the flower is near to the house. The flower is near to the house. The tree is far from the house. Okay, the flower is near to the house. Okay, the flower is near to the house. Next, the tree means here to here far is there. Okay, means this one is the far and this one near. Okay, the tree is far. The tree is far from the house. Means here flower near and tree here far. Means here near ante daggara, far ante duramu. The flower is near to the house. The flower is near to the house. The tree is far from the house. Far ante duramu. Far means duramu. Near means daggara. The flower is near to the house. The flower is only near. House ki దగ్గరలో ఫ్లవర్ ఉంది. The flower is near to the house. The tree is far from the house. The tree is far from the house. Far means దూరము. Near అంటే దగ్గర. The flower is near to the house. The tree is far from the house. Means this one far and near. Okay, first one is heavier than and lighter than. Heavier ante weight ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో heavier than అంటారు. Lighter than అంటే weight తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో lighter than అంటారు. Next one is the far and near. Far అంటేనేమో దూరము, near అంటే దగ్గర. Okay, now take the textbook. Now see here, first one heavier than and lighter than. See here this one is drum. And here drumstick. Okay, tell me students, which one is the heavier? Yeah, this one drum heavier and drumstick lighter. See here, the drum is heavier than a drumstick. A drumstick is lighter than a drum. Okay, next see here. Now this one is the elephant, this one is the parrot. See here, write H for heavy and L for light. L means you write here lightweight and heavy weight you write here H. Okay, look at here. Now this one is the elephant, this one is the parrot. Tell me students, which one is the heavy weight? Yeah, elephant heavy weight. Means the elephant is heavier than a parrot. A parrot is lighter than elephant. Means H, elephant you write here H and a parrot write here L. Okay, go to next picture. These are fruits. These are fruits. One is the orange, another one is the watermelon. Tell me students, which fruit is the lighter? Tell me which fruit is the lighter? Yeah, orange lighter, elephant heavy weight. Sorry, watermelon heavy weight. Look at here. Now this one, the orange is lighter than watermelon. The watermelon is heavier than orange. Okay, means orange you put lightweight means you write here L. Watermelon heavyweight, that's why you write here H. Okay, go to next picture. Now this one, pen and feather. Okay, see here. Now pen is heavyweight, feather lightweight. Means the pen is heavier than the feather. The feather is lighter than a pen. Okay, heavier weight you put H and lighter weight you put here L. Okay, go to next picture. Now this one, mouse and cat. Mouse and cat. See here, mouse lighter weight, cat heavy weight. See here, now this one is the lighter, this one is the heavier. The mouse is lighter than cat. The cat is heavier than a mouse. Means lighter weight you write here L, heavy weight write here H. Okay, go to next picture. Now this one, ball and here pen. Tell me students, which picture is heavy weight? Tell me. Yeah, ball heavy weight, pen light weight. Means heavy weight you write here H and lighter weight write here L. Now go to next picture. Now this one is book and scale. Book and scale. Okay. Now which picture is heavy? Yeah, book is heavier weight. Scale lighter weight. The book is heavier than the scale. The scale is lighter than a book. Means heavier weight, write here H. Heavy weight, write here H. Lighter means you write here L. Okay, now this one is the heavier than and lighter than. Okay, go to next one. Next one, far and near. Far ante duramu, near ante daggara. Okay, look at here. Here car and here baby and here school bus. See here, the car is near to the girl. The car is near to the girl. The bus is far from the girl. The bus is far ante duramu, near ante daggara. Okay, look at here. Here baby, milk bottle, ball, bicycle, clock, and here swing is there. Look at, okay, see here. In near you write here N. బేబీకి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వాటికేమో ఎన్ అని రాయాలి. బేబీకి దూరంగా ఉన్న వాటికేమో ఫార్ అని రాయాలి. ఓకే, బేబీకి దగ్గరలో ఉంటేనేమో ఎన్ అని రాయాలి. బేబీకి దూరంగా ఉంటేనేమో ఫార్ అని రాయాలి. లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్. ద నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్? దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ద మిల్క్ బాటిల్. ద మిల్క్ బాటిల్ ఈజ్ నియర్ టు ద బేబీ. The ball near to the baby. And here clock. The clock is far from the baby. The clock is far from the baby. Here also bicycle. The bicycle is far from the baby. Means far means you write here. This one is the far. You write here F. Near. This one is near only. Okay, write here N. And ball also near. Write here N. Here clock far. Write here F. This one is the swing. Right here F. Okay, this one is the far and near. Okay, before this one is the heavier than, lighter than. Today I am going to wind up the class. We will meet next class with another topic. Till then, bye.